Hi there. May the 4th be with you. Today I aimed to look at the AI harness, the Rust library for connecting various LLMs to other applications. Um, there are some problems with the demo anyway, and I thought I would investigate them. You can see the demo here, the AI harness chat demo. Uh, Here's the current provider is the mock provider. It's called Echo, but I don't know why, because it doesn't echo. Hello world. And it's just say hello from the mock Echo provider, blah, blah, blah. And it doesn't echo. Anyway, the problem is that if I want to add, for example, uh, import from codecs here, reads your local OAuth tokens and pre-fills the add form below. Well, it doesn't really do that. I did the import here. There is no scroll. Okay, I'll just diminish the font a bit. Imported from local codecs session. Base URL is set to the codecs backend. Clear it to fall back to the public OpenAI responses API. Yeah. So the kind is OpenAI responses API. Name is codecs, GPT-5 codecs. That's obviously wrong, of course. I think it's GPT 5.5 now, isn't it? We should actually try that. GPT 5.5. Yeah. Base URL. I just trust that. I have no idea. And here it says API key. That's wrong. I guess it should be. I guess it should be OAuth with refresh. Now this is looking better. The problem was that auth was not set to OAuth. Let's try this. Hello. It's very slow. If it works at all. Meanwhile, I'm going to tell when I try to add a codex by OAuth, the auth is pre-filled as API key. Clearly wrong. No. And I'll rework that while I'll continue testing here. Oh, I have. This is strange. No, it is answered from the mock provider because I haven't changed here yet. Oh, I haven't added it yet. And this is, of course, due to that this panel isn't scrollable. I have to diminish the font again. Yeah, here is add provider. So I'm doing that, and now I got the provider here. Let's try something. Tell us a rhyme. Detailed instructions are required. Okay. Next thing, when fonts are large, the panels overflow and they are not scrollable. And no scrollability. Also, when using the defaults, creating an OpenAI or authenticated codecs provider, the error is returned and the prompt is sent. Let's see, concise, humorous. Tell us the rhyme again. Okay, we'll do a reset chat. Um, detailed store must be set to false. Yes. So I just told Claude to think through this. We can try to reset the chat again. We can actually remove codecs. And then we can try import from Claude Code. I haven't tried that before. Tropic, Claude Max, Claude Sonnet, base URL, optional override. Or still wrong. Yeah. Claude Max, Claude Sonnet, blah blah blah, concise. Let's try this. Hey you, Joker. Hmm. The Claude, the same test gives anyway, while it's working, I can remove that as well. And we can try to add responses API. Gemma 4, default, HTTP, Saint Nick, tokenless. This looks fine, right? Gemma 4. My lord, what? Is it doing anything? I will cheat and look in the. No, I don't think so. Oh, while I was looking the other way, it actually responded. That was funny. You once judged a pigeon too harshly. The universe has a very long memory. That's nice. So, responses work fine. Tokenless works fine. That's good. Write me a short story. Yeah, I actually read the short story. It's it's sort of amazing anyway. It's a dry humor, but it it is funny. A bit like Douglas Adams would have written it, I think. Yeah. Okay. Prefixes shipped. Does that mean it is reload, click import? Okay, reload. So now it's empty. Import from codecs. Still API key. So we change this. Uh, is not scrollable. Of course, it's the old. Mhm. Not much was fixed. I wonder if anything was fixed. I'm not sure. We'll remove that provider again. Yeah, I'm questioning if system instructions actually are required. So I have forced reloaded it. It still remembers the Gemma 4, and that's good because that works. We know that. So anyway, when doing codecs, we actually know that we need a first system instruction. You are a assistant. From codecs. Uh, no. Yes. There's nothing else to do. Yes. Okay, I questioned its uh, well, why it fails. So I thought maybe it tries to do everything in the demo instead of doing it in the framework that we are developing. We'll see. Yeah, you're right. Let me dig into the actual AI harness code. Yeah, then maybe it has bigger potential to be able to fix the problems. We'll see. Okay, it's time to test again. Yeah, this time it's really clean. We can try without system extraction. Import from codex. This time it's GPT 5.5. It's refresh. It has read my auth stuff. I will make the and provider, and I will say what is 2 plus 2? Stream must be set. And while it's doing that, I can import from Claude. Also correct. Okay, here it makes okay, fine. And 2 times 2. So yeah, it added some options. Okay, we'll reload again. We have nothing. Do this, reload that. Looks fine. Add it. And we say, do you remember the summer of 69? Okay, so codex worked and we got a cost as well. I don't know if you can see it, but here it is. It was not very expensive. That's fine. We'll add one more, import from Claude Code, and provider. I'm not very into Brian Adams. Douglas, on the other hand. LLMs imported from Claude still talks about rate limits. Seems strange. I have max 20 times and I am not near my max. Neither for 5 hours. Okay, we will try again. Oh, did I? Oh, it took a while. Okay. Yeah, good. Yeah, anyway, it works now. So I think I'm going to stop the recording because it's too long already. And I will continue with this project and we'll see if I take it up later in a later video. Bye bye.